so cute today. 이쁜데? Headband, yeah. Oh, nice. Outfit check. So we're choosing ramen.
Such a variety. 난 진라면 좋아해.
차에서 먹을 수 있는 건가?
But the lemon 존데 my sister tried
What do you mean? This girl. 왜 이래? 이런 거 하나 차에서 먹을 거. 이거는 그냥 항상 먹을 거.
근데 뜨거운 물 있으면 거의 먹으러 가는 거.
잠깐 너무 제대로 해가지고 당황스러운데? Okay, we'll.
So like awkward when I was walking.
The weather is so nice. 오늘 진짜 딱 좋은 날인 것 같아.
Oh, look at that sunshine.
Sunshine.
방탈출 같아.
Yay, the goods. Yeah, I've seen the see if this works. Oh, wait.
Clouds are in the sky. The vibe of the music is right. Lena is driving. Creamy, soft, fresh spring vibe. Almost it's spring now, right? Oh, marking the first day of spring. Okay, wait. This one's for Lena, our driver today. Snack vibe for the car.
Nice ass, Hannah.
It's a steep hill. Wow. We didn't think it was this hard. Reconnecting with nature.
I'm so happy.
I feel connected. Let's touch some grass. Gil.
Ha!
Okay.
Because I realized. How do you guys twerk? I can never video the video.
Wait, we have to go here so much faster.
I got really thirsty animal. Cheers!
Like walk into the frame.
Yeah, we just wanna go to the cafe and very rest.
Okay. Wow. It's so warm and nice.
The girlfriend. 달빛은 강물을 적시고 바람은 노래를 부른다. 나는 달려간다. 검은 산
So good.
It took like half an hour for the water to boil.
Whoa. Yeah, of course. Let's just like eat out of here. So fun.
Did you guys fall asleep?
Yeah. Did you tell the camera to eat? You're like, honey? For this, honestly, just take the sky. Nighttime camera is really bad though.